Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we are going to learn how to retrieve an assembly plan of any date in the assembling module in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Navigate to the assembling module and open the configuration window. Here, you'll find the feature labeled Allow Assembly Plan Retrieval of Any Date, which is currently disabled. Let's first explore its impact in the disabled state. Let's retrieve an assembly plan by clicking on the Retrieve Plan option. We have already created several assembly plans on different dates. As you can see, today's date is 15th July 2026. We'll now attempt to retrieve the assembly plan created on 10th July 2026. As you may notice, the assembly plan is not retrieved. This is because the system is currently configured to retrieve only the plan for the current date. Now, let's go to the configuration settings and enable the feature and then observe its functionality. Click on the Retrieve Plan option and again select the assembly plan dated 10th July 2026. As you can see, after enabling the configuration, the assembly plan is retrieved successfully. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.